Hello. So we're looking at a machine-based agent recommendation system for recommending real estate agents to brokers. And for tax analysis, the problem is to find agents that fit a real estate brokerage. Okay. So for key tax and analysis, the primary tax involved using the agent recommendation system include using user input and preference selection, where the user can select details such as property, location, budget, and they can also specify some criteria like responsiveness, specialization of the agent, and the agent's past performance. And also for AI processing and recommendation generation, the system is going to retrieve data from the MLS records, transaction history, and the agent client reviews. And the results, the system will present the list of agents, highlight key attributes such as sales volume, days on market, and client satisfaction. Then users can contact the agents directly, request additional information, or adjust their search criteria to refine the recommendation. Um, Insights and improvements from tax analysis. We're looking to simplify the tax flow to pre-fill known data from the MLS. We're going to use smart filtering to allow users to refine the search, and we're going to use progressive disclosure to show only the essential information. To improve the user experience, we're going to explain why the AI recommended the agent. For example, saying this agent is a top performer with XYZ client satisfaction, and there's going to be a feedback loop integrated as well. For user experience, user interaction with the solution, we're going to have onboarding and input selection. We're going to have an AI powered agent recommendation where the system analyzes the agent's performance, and there's going to be refinement, and there's going to be feedback loop whereby we take feedback from the users and use it to strengthen the model. For decision of next steps, we have users compare the agents, view profile, and AI is going to assist with next best actions, such as you want to schedule a consultation or send an inquiry. For key user experience consideration, for user input and feedback loop, users will actively shape the AI recommendation. The system is going to incorporate a feedback mechanism, and the AI would learn over time how to refine future recommendations. For transparency, the platform is going to explain one agent was recommended. We're going to use a confidence score to help users understand the AI's reasoning, and users can see key factors influencing the recommendation, such as market activity and others. For communicating uncertainty, when data is insufficient or ambiguous, the system will provide contextual explanation. We're going to use alternate recommendations to be displayed alongside the primary recommendation, and users would also be prompted to refine input when the AI confidence is low. For privacy related concerns, we were going to be worried. We're going to be looking into how to protect PII exposure. For user data and control, users will have control over their data, even including the ability to access and update the data. The system must also implement an opt-in consent mechanism before collecting any user's data. For security and encryption, unauthorized access would be limited, and the stored data and transmitted data would be encrypted. For model bias and fairness, if biased data sources are used, this could unfairly be disadvantage to certain agents. System would regularly update its training data to ensure fairness and prevent discrimination. For applicable privacy law, so this tool would only be used in North America, US, and Canada specifically. So would be adhering to the California Consumer Privacy Act and the Canada Personal Information Protection Electronic Documentation Act. For ethical consideration, we are looking at potential bias source in training data, in also demographic bias, and would be looking at also user defined preferences and also feedback loop bias. Meeting the three goals of ethical AI, We ensure that we incorporate fairness by implementing diverse evaluation metrics, regularly updating the AI recommendation, and ensure recommendations consider multiple factors. For accountability, we're going to establish clear policies and responsible AI guidelines, conduct regular impact assessments, and provide users with the ability to flag inaccurate or biased recommendation. For transparency, we're going to explain clearly why an agent is recommended, showing key factors influencing the AI's decision. We're going to use confidence scores, as mentioned. We're going to allow the AI users to customize and adjust AI driven suggestions. Thank you.